Unlock the potential of AI to generate profitable content ideas. This video explores how to build a platform leveraging AI for writers, bloggers, and small business owners. We'll cover setting up a workflow, analyzing data, and offering a freemium subscription model. The key is automating content suggestion to a specific niche, then leveraging that to create subscription revenue. Risk mitigation involves carefully choosing your data sources and understanding API usage costs. Success lies in consistently refining the AI model based on user feedback. Let's start with the foundational steps. First, set up an N8N workflow connecting to the Google Cloud Natural Language API. This acts as the core of your AI engine. Secondly, define a robust data source industry reports, trending topics, or even competitor analysis to fuel your suggestions. Finally, utilize AI to analyze this data and generate unique content ideas. The goal is to find patterns and suggest content suitable to specific niches. Creating a user-friendly interface is crucial. This interface should allow clients to input their needs, target audience, industry, desired tone, and receive tailored content suggestions. Think about a simple form or dashboard. A key element is the ability to refine results, guiding the AI toward highly specific output. Remember, good UX drives user adoption. Integration is key. Seamlessly connect your AI-powered suggestion generator with popular writing tools like Grammarly, Hemingway Editor, or even WordPress. This allows users to directly implement the generated ideas, maximizing efficiency and engagement. Consider plugins or API integrations to streamline the process. Look to partner with tools that share your market. Building partnerships will significantly boost your reach. Collaborate with writing communities, blogs, or small business owners to pilot your platform and gather invaluable feedback. Joint marketing efforts can accelerate user acquisition. This builds brand awareness and validates your product. Continuous improvement is essential. Establish a feedback loop where clients can rate suggestions, provide corrections, and suggest new data sources. Regularly retrain your AI model with this feedback to improve its accuracy and relevance. Monitor API usage rates and adjust your infrastructure accordingly. The model needs to evolve with the user's needs. Remember, this AI-powered platform offers a freemium model, a core feature available for free, with paid subscriptions unlocking advanced functionalities and higher usage limits. Manage your API rates carefully. Monetization hinges on offering compelling value at different price points, capturing a broad user base. Success requires strategic planning and proactive adaptation.